Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI continues to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above significant areas of supports at around the $0.5 mark and at around the $0.45 mark. We have also continued to trade within this descending channel that I have here on the charts, where you can see that we have more than 3 touch points, suggesting that this price channel has been well respected. And in the next coming hours, in case we see an increase in the bullish momentum, there are chances that we can easily see a breakout of this channel to the upper side. And once that happens, we can easily see Fetch AI get above the $0.55 mark in the next coming hours. But if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness in the charts, there are chances that we might see a bit of a pullback within this price channel to the lower side of the channel, where we can expect another bounce back to the upper side. And all these movements have also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And zooming out on the charts so that I can give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that Fetch AI back in August gave us this low down here before we saw this impulsive move, giving us a high above the $0.27 mark in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and finally we saw the formation of this wave 5, giving us a high above the $0.58 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of this first wave, whatever we expect next is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, then from that point we can expect a reversal to the upper side in an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.4223 mark and the $0.3239 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And this is the area within which I'm expecting Fetch AI in the next coming hours to give us a pullback into in the formation of this wave 2. And once we see a pullback into the area, then from that point I can expect a reversal to the upper side and get another impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, we can easily get above the $0.7 mark and continue seeing higher prices. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. Zooming out even further to now give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that back in 2022, we saw this low down here at around the $0.0525 mark, before we picked in a 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.6 mark, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2 minimum target areas, highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and chances are we now have a low in place for that wave 2. And in the next coming days or maybe months, we can see a reaction of that and continue seeing higher prices in the formation of this wave 3. Minimum target areas being given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618. And that is above the $1 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm watching out on the short term and also on the long term. and those are my pullback target areas in case the market shows some weakness in the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.